Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Making homemade apricot jam is as simple as 3 main ingredients. Here comes the recipe. In a large pan, gather 2 kilograms of deseeded and halved apricots, 2 kilograms of granulated sugar and kernels of the apricots. Close the lid and set aside overnight. Place the pan over medium heat and leave to boil for 35 minutes. Skim the foam occasionally. 10 minutes before taking the pan off the stove, add 1 teaspoon of sour salt and mix. Once the jam has reached the desired consistency, remove from the heat and ladle the hot jam into glass jars immediately. Then close the lids tightly. We used 500 ml jars and had 3 jars of jam using these ingredients. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!